Hi, in this System Manager tutorial we will set up some virtual ports. We'll create an interface group and we will create a VLAN port. But before we do that, it needs to be said that out of the box the simulator does not support interface groups. We can create them, but they won't work. Also, we have not discussed broadcast domains yet. We'll cover that in the next module. Still, we need to do some work with broadcast domains. For now, it suffices to know that a broadcast domain is a group of virtual and physical ports cluster-wide. We'll create an interface group named A0A, and we will use 2 ports for that. These ports will be E0E and E0F from node 1. Then we'll create a VLAN port on E0F of node 2. So let's start. We're in the dashboard and first check the broadcast domains. There's a cluster broadcast domain and there's a default broadcast domain. We edit the default broadcast domain to remove E0E and E0F from node 1, from the domain. Then we go to Ethernet ports and we will create an interface group. We call it A0A. We define it to be on node 1 and we want E0E and E0F of node 1, and it's going to be a multi-mode group, which is static multi-mode, and the load balancing policy will be IP. And the broadcast domain will be default. We refresh the page and see that our interface group is there at the top. Next thing we do is we create a VLAN. We pick node 2 port E0F and the VLAN ID will be 20. And like with the interface group, we will put it in the default broadcast domain. Now if we just want to see the VLAN ports, we filter on type and select VLAN. And we see that our VLAN 20 port is available on node 2. That's it. Now to clean up, we right-click the VLAN port and delete it. We list all our ports again and we right-click on A0A and delete that as well. And all we have to do now is add E0E and E0F of node 1 back to the broadcast domain default again. So let's do that. We edit the default broadcast domain and select the 2 ports from node 1. And we have restored the original situation. This concludes this tutorial.